Welcome to this series of short videos looking at the functionality of LANSA BI. In this video, we're going to be focusing on dashboards and assisted insights. So I'm going to log in. And once I've logged in, I'm presented with my first dashboard. Now I've got it set up so I can see a number of different types of dashboards querying different databases. So here we see a financial profit and loss. So this is a local SQL database, and the charts and graphs are fully interactive. So I can do mouse overs, we can look at revenue shares, I can drill down and drill up into each particular area so we can see more information. So go back up to the level. So that's one type. Here is another. So this is over a DB2400 database. And we can see here that we've made extensive use of bar charts and pie charts and donuts and gauges. And again, all of these are interactive. So I can just select a date range by using the sliders here. I can say that I only want to see the total orders. If I go down to the product sales down here, I can drill down in the department and I can see the category. And then from the category, I can see the individual tools and their sales levels. Another type of dashboard, so if we go into this campaign analysis, so this is over the shipped example database for the ski team. And again, we can see the different types of controls. So we've got the campaigns, we've got summaries of the revenue, of the costs and the ROI. We scroll down and we can see other types of visualizations. In this case, we have a number of different filters that are available. So we can select specific areas that we want to search on, like Europe, for example, or Latin America. We can look at age groups and we can look at specific companies inside the data set. Let's go to the sales performance here. There's a couple of things I want to show you. Again, we've got our summaries at the top. We have our line chart here. So we can just mouse over and we can see the values. We can represent the data as tables. So we can see here region revenue by year. And we've got a percentage maxed invoice with the total invoice. If we scroll down, we can show geographical information. So I can drill down into that. So let's just get a little bit closer. And then I can go to a specific area and I can see the information for that particular point in Canada in this case. Now let's just scroll back up again because here's where I want to show you the assisted insights. So here we'll go by the performance by region. And if I select it, we can drill down. But let's go back to the start. So we've still got the drill down capability. I can show it as a chart. Yeah, or a bar chart or a table. Yep, so it's my choice in how I display it. If I do a right click on it, we have this auto analyze capability. And this is the assisted insights. So we go to the auto analyze. We've got an option to either explain the data or compare. So I'm going to do a comparison and I'm going to compare it with North America and then just go compare. So what it's doing now, when I created the data view, so that's the view over the database that I'm using, I indicated certain variables as key performance indicators. So it's now taking those key performance indicators and generating my comparison report. So here we can see that it's comparing KPIs for Europe to North America. This chart measures invoice by camp region between Europe and North America's camp region, the total sum invoiced, the average sum, and then the minimum value. And as we scroll through, we can see the different types of reports that have been generated for each of the KPIs I indicated I wanted when I created the view over the data. So there we go. That has all been generated for me. I can save these insights. I can share the insights and comment on them so that other people can see what I've commented. Oh, please, can you check a particular area or a particular value just to make sure that that's accurate? So it allows me to have that collaboration, and that is all built in to the LANSA BI interface. So that is actually a quick summary of the dashboarding and the assisted insights capability of LANSA BI.